Israel-based firm eToro plans to offer 5 million shares, and existing shareholders intend to sell another 5 million shares within a price range of $46 to $50 each, according to an SEC filing. At the top end of this range, eToro's valuation would be approximately $4 billion. In comparison, eToro was valued at about $3.5 billion after completing a funding round in 2023. The company is set to list on the NASDAQ Global Select Market under the ticker symbol ETOR and may go public as early as this week. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, under the symbol IBIT, saw a massive inflow of $674.91 million on Friday, May 2nd, making it the only Bitcoin ETF to experience any action that day. This influx highlighted BlackRock's dominance in the U.S. spot Bitcoin ETF landscape. The company's ETHA also led the charge in Ether ETFs, attracting $20.1 million. Meanwhile, the rest of the Ether ETF cohort remained stagnant, posting neither inflows nor outflows. Semler Scientific has acquired an additional 167 Bitcoins for $16.2 million, increasing its total holding to 3,634 BTC and making it the fourth largest Bitcoin treasury company in the U.S. The company purchased the Bitcoins between April 30 and May 2nd at an average price of $97,093 per coin, using proceeds from a stock offering program. As of May 2nd, Semler Scientific's Bitcoin holdings had a market value of $352.4 million, reflecting a gain of $30.1 million over its total purchase cost of $322.3 million. Crypto services firm Ripple has pledged $25 million in Ripple USD to education nonprofits Donors Choose and Teach for America. The funds will be distributed via crypto charity intermediary service The Giving Block, highlighting a 2024 Gallup survey that found 55% of U.S. adults were dissatisfied with the quality of K-12 education. "We hope to inspire others to do the same," said Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse. Crypto companies are increasingly making charitable donations using cryptocurrencies. Last month, Binance's CZ Zhao pledged over $500,000 worth of crypto to earthquake relief efforts in Thailand and Myanmar, while Blockchain for Impact committed $90 million to biomedical research in March. The Giving Block forecasts that crypto donations will reach $2.5 billion this year. The Trump administration is considering shifting oversight of cryptocurrency markets from the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, to the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, in a bid to provide more regulatory clarity for the industry, according to reports. The move would mean the CFTC would oversee the spot crypto market, while the SEC continues to regulate initial coin offerings. The crypto industry has historically favored the Commodity Futures Trading Commission over the Securities and Exchange Commission when it comes to regulation due to a lighter approach taken by the former. However, as regulation is seen as a key risk factor for cryptocurrencies in the U.S., some believe that empowering the CFTC with oversight of cryptocurrency markets could bring much-needed clarity to the industry. For more on crypto and the stock market, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.